Cyclone Eva hit the city of Toamasina in Madagascar. It had huge impacts on ministry in Toamasina. This is a previous view of Bethany School. Can you see the school building on the right side? It has lost its roofs and windows due to the cyclone. The secondary school classroom has also fallen down. This is a bungalow that was used as a staff house. 10 staff houses in 5 schools have been destroyed like this. Fernando used to live in this dormitory building. Now the whole building is gone. However, we still have hope here. Temporary classrooms were built to continue classes. And students study hard even in these difficult situations. This is Bethel School. Especially, Cyclone Eva left serious damages to the village near here. The classroom has lost its roofs. This is a temporary classroom to replace it. This is Angkor F Bethany School. It takes 2 hours by boat through the beautiful Pangalan canals to get here. Its school buildings have also lost their roofs. Thankfully, the students can soon study again in temporary classrooms. This is Toamasina Prison. 3 prison buildings for 236 prisoners have been damaged. Without roof, rain comes into prisoners' beds. More than 400 churches in this region have been also affected by the cyclone. The roofs have fallen down, but worship and praises do not stop. The following is the interview of Missionary Cho and Deborah.
Missionary Cho, Deborah, in Madagascar. 2 weeks ago, Cyclone Eva hit our city of Toamasina very powerfully. It left great damages in our ministry, school, orphanages, churches, and prison. Among 5 of our schools, 28 classrooms and 10 staff houses have been destroyed. Many of our students say their house roofs are gone, and some of them lost their home entirely. More of 60 out of 136 churches that we established in our region damaged greatly.
In the midst of this natural disaster, God has given us hope, the hope of a restoration. God is almighty, God is sovereign, the same God is with us. I truly believe that God will continue to lead us the way He has faithfully led us over the past 7 years of ministry in Madagascar. I hope and humbly request you to join in prayer and support for Madagascar and the ministry here. Let us expect to witness God's great work together. Thank you so much.